especially salary Cambodian students and parents. Okay, today is Wednesday and 24th, and today I have a small plan with my students that I have to made it, and I think it would be fun and it could be creative as well. The first, I will give them piece of papers. One student will have each papers, and what they have to do, they have to create any kind of pictures, folding pictures, drawing, writings, small words, sentence, up to them. Just only one paper each. They have to write or make it, fold it, draw it by themselves. Just let's see how much they understand and how much they create the task. Okay, so it's gonna be fun, and have a look, have to watch them, and don't forget to like, subscribe. Okay. You finish? Just only one? Oh, right, good. Get here. Your dream's house? Mean you want to have the house like that, right? Good. Yeah, I wish your dream come true, but you have to work with me. Okay? Yeah. Is silver or golden? Silver first, right? Yes. Silver, golden, silver YouTube license or award? Is it not license? Award? Okay. Good. Yeah. What is it? What is the circle one? What is it? A pool? A swimming pool?
No, water.
Water, but a pond. Oh. Yeah, and the kids fly kites. Fly kites. And what are they doing? Behind hopscotch. They are playing hopscotch. Hopscotch.
Hopscotch.
Yeah, hopscotch. Good. And you, are you finished?
No.
No, come on, Tida. Tadi, Tida, come on. Okay, come on, but what do you have?
Hello student, I like my picture.
What is it?
My name is but it's orange.
It's orange?
Yes.
And do you like eating orange?
Yes.
Okay, good. Give it to me. Give it to me. Thank you. Some birds orange. Hello.
Hello, my name is Magna. I want to be a gamer.
Can you tell me what is your dream? Example, this is YouTube award. You can point to YouTube award. This is YouTube award. YouTube award. That one. YouTube award. No, YouTube award. Yeah, this is that is YouTube award, right? Why do you want to be a YouTuber?
Favorite game.
You love the game, so you want to make a video video games and make money from YouTube, right? Good, thank you. You draw that picture. Like the pictures. Can you tell me what are in the pictures? Globe? Yeah, is it in your room? Yeah, you say hello. I say hello.
Hello.
Hello. My name is Visal and I am 9 years old. Okay, good. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Samha.
You fold a bird?
Yes.
Okay. What did you write on the birds?
I like family and I like teacher.
Thank you. You like teachers. Thank you. And what else you want to say about the birds? No? Okay, thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Pandra. Em 11 years old. I want to make a mouse bird.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Thank you for my watch.
Yeah, what do you write on your butterfly? What do you write on the butterfly? And okay. What else you want to say? No? Thank you. Bye. A book. Yeah, and you fold a book, okay? Do you have something? Do you write something on the book or no? No, okay. Why you throw a book? You like a book? Have you ever seen the book? Have you see the book? No, just on the book, in the book, right? Okay, good. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nick. I'm 10 years old. I draw my garden.
Your garden? Oh, good. What are in your garden? Can you tell me? Fruits. Water, right? What do you have in like huts or the room? Is that there? Okay, room. Okay, flower. Good, thank you.
Hello, my name is Fernand. I'm 30 years old. I love family.
You love the gardens and family. Can you show me your picture? Highlight the picture. Can you show the pictures? Sun. A house. Can you? Okay, good. Wow, beautiful house. I like your house. Okay, goodbye.